Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And I'm so excited because I just got in my Scentsy club. It's my bi-monthly Scentsy club for the month of October. And I'm so excited to share it with you. It has a bunch of different scents that are not in my other two clubs. So this one's very different. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So, like I said, this is my bi-monthly Scentsy club for the month of October. And you guys, it's a good one. It's a good one. And a lot of these scents are scents that I'm going to be using now because there's certain scents that I use for fall, winter, and there's some that I use for summer, and some that I use just for fall, and some that I use for winter. So I'm excited. So let's get popping. All right. I think I'll start over here on the right. And this scent right here is one of my top threes of all time. And it's Lemon Coconut Chiffon. There is not a better lemon scent out there. There isn't. This one's my favorite. It's lemon, but it legit smells like a lemon, like a lemon pie. It's delish. It has like a bakery note to it, which I love. I'm so here for it. Sign me up. It's what I love. All right, the next one that I will talk about, actually I'll talk about these two next. These are actually available right now. I put them in my club. They are part of the Harvest collection. The Harvest 3-pack had 3 scents. One was a tree scent. I don't like it. Sorry, I don't like tree scents. But the other two, delish, okay? So one is Maple Rum Cake, and I absolutely just love this scent. Oh, I love anything that ends with the word cake, okay? Ooh, it looks pretty with my outfit. Like, we are matching. Got to coordinate. Anyway, that was from that movie, was it from Boomerang from the 90s with Eddie Murphy? You got to coordinate. I think it was Halle Berry's dad. He had the mushroom belt, mushroom jacket, mushroom hat. Great movie. Anyway, why do I do that? Why do I go off on a tangent? I don't know. But Maple Rum Cake is absolutely phenomenal. It smells like maple, it smells like rum, and it smells like cake. I vote yes to all 3. Okay. Next thing is Cozy Vanilla Pumpkin. And yes, please. Yes, please. Love it. So good. So good. Delicious. Delicious. I turned on my ring light because my last video I didn't have my ring light on, and then it was dark and there was a lot of shadows. So now I don't have shadows, but I have glare. I mean, we can't have it all. We can try, but we can't. Anyway, delicious. The next one is available right now as well. And it's the Harry Potter scent. The Wizarding World Harry Potter. So good, you guys. It is so spicy. To me, it just screams fall. It is such a good fall scent. I absolutely love it. Yum, yum, yum. Fall and woods. That's what it smells like. I love it. But I've been mixing, because it has a lot of the cinnamon, and I've been mixing pumpkin with it. And chef's kiss. Perfection. Yes. Okay. The next one is one of my all-time favorites. It was a Bring Back My Bar, and it is a Cutie Pie Cupcake. Cutie Pie Cupcake. Delish. Legit smells like yellow cake. Not white cake, yellow cake. I love cake. I can tell you. I could tell you which one it is. We can do the Pepsi challenge. Definitely yellow cake. So good. Okay, the next one is Love and Happiness. And this one was part of a Bring Back My Bar. Delicious. It's very feminine. It's sweet, but a little bit of musk. And it's so good. I use it in my bedroom. I just love this as a bedroom scent. So I have 1 bar of this. I'll do all my bedroom scents next. Okay. And the next one is Angel Experiment 624. It is part of the Lilo and Stitch collection. You guys, if you like these kind of sugary, sweet, feminine scents, you got to put that in your club when it's available. This one has more sugar. Very sweet, very candy, kind of tart. Love it. Love it so much. Okay. The next one is a very berry type of scent, and it is Love You Very Much. And it was a Bring Back My Bar, and I was here for it. I had never smelled it before, and I love it. It's very, for me, girly. It's just very fruity and just fun and happy. It's just like a happy, fun, cheerful scent. I'm here for it. The next one is fantastic. It's another berry scent, and it's a Berry of Paradise. To me, it smells like raspberry and sugar, and it's so good. Oh, so good. And I use it in my bedroom. You guys, I love it. All right. The next one is a bedroom scent, but is a little different. And it's Blonde Wood and Moonflower. Blonde Wood and Moonflower. And it's just I don't know if it's sandalwood, that's it. I think there's sandalwood in it, but it's it has like vanilla or something to it. There's like a sweet aspect to it. But it also has like sandalwood and like musk or amber or something like that in there. And it is just beautiful. It's beautiful. Blonde Wood and Moonflower. The next one, which I forgot to do with my other fall scents, it is the scent of the month for last month. And it's Gimme Candy. And I'm obsessed. I had to put it in my club. This scent is going in my, it's been in my, I bought so much of it, you guys. I've been using this like cray-cray in my bedroom and everywhere, but mostly my bedroom and the kitchen. I love Gimme Candy. It smells like candy corn. I don't really like to eat candy corn, but dang it if I don't like to smell it. Because it smells like candy corn and I'm here for it all day, every day. Oh, it's so good, you guys. That's what I got going on right now. I've been warming this like crazy since it came out. This came out, this was the September scent of the month. So darn good. Put it in your club. It's still available. Put it in your club so you have some for next fall. The next one I love, and it was the scent of the month, I believe, for June, because it came with our Land of Liberty, the Americana, like, it looked like a camper. And it's red, white, and berry pie. So good. Very Americana. And it just smells so good. To me, it smells like cherry pie. And again, with the cherry, I'm loving the cherry. If you watch my last 2 videos where before COVID, I hated all cherry scents. After COVID, I can't get enough of them. I just ordered, as a matter of fact, our Scentsy bricks are available. And I already have one of the maraschino cherry. And I just ordered the bundle of the maraschino cherry, 2 of them. 2 bricks. I can't get enough of cherry scents. I love them. I absolutely love them. Okay, so I don't think I talked about Scentsy Club. If you have not ever heard of Scentsy Club, we're going to fix that right now. It's a subscription that you control, okay? So you are able to put in any of our consumable products like room sprays, wax bars, cleaning, laundry, body, light bulbs, cotton cleanups, anything that is consumable that you need more of, you can put in your Scentsy Club. The cool thing about these, the bars, is we have a program called Always Get My Bar that's inside of Scentsy Club. And the cool thing about that is once these bars are no longer available, if you already have them in your Scentsy Club, they'll make them for you. You can have it every month, every other month, or every 3 months. This is my bi-monthly. So that is super cool. Now, once it's no longer available, if you remove it, you cannot put it back in until it's available again. Also, you can't increase the amount once it's not available. Like this, I may add an extra bar because it's still available. I think I want 2 bars of it. So I have a nice stash for next year, but I'm hoping to God they put this. Oh, I hope they put this in our catalog next year because it's so good. Once it's no longer available, you can't increase. You can only decrease. So that's that. And the Always Get My Bar only applies to wax bars. It doesn't apply to room sprays or counter clean or anything like that. Once those scents are no longer available, they're pulled from your club. Now, with Scentsy Club, you get a lot of perks, okay? First perk being once you hit $30 in your club, you get 10% off, okay? Once you hit $60, you get a half price item plus 10% off. And here is my half price item. You guys that follow me know that I have a dog and 3 cats, and my daughter lives in my back house and has a dog and 3 cats, and we have carpet. So I put this in my carpet cleaner. It's all-purpose cleaner, and it is the Coastal Sunset, which I just love. It's like a woodsy scent. To me, it just knocks out any sort of animal scent completely. I love it so much. And I've tried all the other scents, and this one is my favorite. So I use it in my carpet cleaner. I also use it in my mop water. It's a concentrate, so you don't need a ton, but it's phenomenal. You can also use it just to clean, but you got to put it in a spray bottle. And I love our counter clean, so I just use counter clean for everything else and use this for my floors, but you can do whatever you want. Also, we also have bathroom cleaner that comes in this set, but I love Coastal Sunset. You guys got to get it. So this is my half price. Other perks, okay? We also have this new referral program, okay? For every dollar that you spend, you get 1 point. That point, once you build up points, you can use those points to purchase more Scentsy or help pay for your Scentsy Club. Now, when you send your referral code to other people and they subscribe to Scentsy Club, once theirs has processed, you will get 2 points for every $1 that they spend. That's a good perk, right? Consultants, we don't get that perk. I love that perk. I wish I had it, but you can get that perk. And so you could pick something for your half price. Now, we have the Laundry Love Bundle, which is all the laundry products, and you can use that toward your half off. That's a $50 total value. So with your perk, it's only $25 for all that stuff. Amazing. Or you can get your whiff box. So there's a lot of stuff that you can get, and it's so worth it to have a Scentsy Club. But that's everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.